Well, good evening, my YouTube channel viewers. Part two of don't pay, I spray. Here's I finished it. My second coat. Handyman Heroes is no more, but a thing of the past. Okay, so if anybody just starting out their business and needs a little bit of advertisement help, it's available. All right, I'm also on Facebook, and just send me a message, and we could negotiate a price. Okay, so I got space available for both fenders, and I also have available space for the trunk lid. Okay, so please, by all means, send me a comment, and we could hook up and talk about business and serious inquiries only. Okay, thank you.